Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A01 versus the Oppo A1k. And the Oppo A1k comes with MediaTek Helio P22 chipset with a 2GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A01 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 chipset with a 2GB of RAM, and we have a 16GB of internal storage on the A01 versus a 32GB of internal storage on the Oppo A1k. And also Oppo A1k is a little bit expensive phone than the Samsung Galaxy A01. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first on the Oppo A1k, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A01. And guys, I have to say that one thing is really interesting about the Samsung Galaxy A01 is that this phone is running on Android 10. While the Oppo A1k, it is still running on Android 9. And you can see Oppo A1k is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Samsung Galaxy A01, now it is also done not a huge difference, about 2 or 3 second difference there between the A01 and the Oppo A1k. And guys, both phones comes with a 720p IPS LCD display, and also we have a water drop notch on the front, so everything is closed up in the background like always. And you can see we have a full screen gesture on the Samsung Galaxy A01 with Android 10. And the first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer, basic stuff. So first application is the phone dialer, and that is faster on the Oppo A1k, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A01. So opening up the settings on both phones, and that is faster on the A01, followed by the Oppo A1k. Let's open up mic lock, and again a little bit faster on the A01. Let's open up some more application. We have calendar, faster on the A01 again. Let's open up my files on both phones. Here we go. And you can see about the same on both phones, no difference there. And you can see when you open the app, animation is really smooth on the A01. I'm also very surprised about performance of the A01. So let's open up some more apps. We have YouTube on both phones. Here we go, same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and that seems like a little bit faster on the Oppo A1k, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A01. So now let's notice some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. We have MediaTek chipset versus a Snapdragon chipset on the A01, and you can see Oppo A1k is faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A01 is also right behind. Not a huge difference there. Let's open up Subway Surfer, and now let's see who is faster. And you can see that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A01. The last game application I'm gonna open is the Temple Run 2, and we don't have a Super AMOLED display on both phones. And I also done the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A01. If you don't watch that on my channel. Chipset is really good on the A01. I know the cameras is really bad, but the chipset is good on the Samsung Galaxy A01. Last time I'm launching the cameras on both phones, and faster on the Samsung Galaxy A01. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Samsung internet browser on the A01 versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo A1k. So first website I'm gonna launching is the Amazon.com, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see Oppo A1k is really faster than the Samsung Galaxy A01, and now A01 is also done. So let's see the scrolling, and I noticed some lags on the A01, but now it is really smooth. Same thing with the Oppo A1k. Next on the list is the Apple.com, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And the loading is complete on both phones, and the content is shown first on the Oppo A1k, so that is why I say Oppo A1k is faster. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see it is still loading on the Oppo A1k for some time. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Both phones comes with a 2 GB RAM. So I know that the RAM measurement is really bad on the A01 in my last speed test. Refresh on both phones because both phones comes with a 2 GB RAM and also not good optimization I have to say, because the Vivo Y91C really good phone in the RAM measurement, and Vivo Y91C comes with a 2 GB RAM, and the Vivo Y90C is handling all these applications without any problem. But I have to say that right now both phones perform not good in the RAM measurement, and that is not refresh on the Oppo A1k, but remaining apps is refresh on the A01, and you can see again refresh on the A01. So let's open up calendar, and that is refresh on the Oppo A1k. Overall, I have to say that the RAM measurement is really bad on both phones, and the app's opening speed is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A01 with a Snapdragon 439 chipset. I have to say it is really optimized for this phone. I don't feel any lag while I'm using this phone, and the software is really optimized for this phone. And thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A01 versus the Oppo A1k. Let me know what you guys think about this new Samsung Galaxy A01, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.